So we're going to draw a number. And we're going to draw the number 2. There's the number 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw that like that. And then what I'm going to do is draw that with that. Now that I did that to the number 2. So when you draw the number 2, okay, and then you go ahead, all right, and you continue with the number 2. Do you see the number 2 over here? Right? You can see the number 2, right? Right. And you can see the, like, what do I do? Do I draw the number 2 this way? So, do I draw the inside of the 2? And then draw the outside of the 2? So now we have the entire 2. So do I take up the 2 here? Should I take up the 2 here? So I can't take up both sides. Can I take up both sides? Right. So now it looks like there's a bigger space here than here. But here I only have a one area space accumulation. Below, here we have one above and one below, giving it. But if you take a look right over here, what do we actually have? So now, look what we have here. Look at that little like line here, right? You see that L here and this L here? I'm going to use it against the numbers here as well. See that? I can go like that and like that. And then I can go like that and like that. So I got 1 and 6, 7. I got 1 and 8, 9. But has anybody ever spoke about going this way? 4 and 9, 13. Right? We can do it this way, or I can do it this way, or how about this way? Besides going this way and this way. Right? 6 and 7, 13. So I have 1 over here. Right? So I have 1 there. And then you have, once I filled out this side, right? Once I have this side over here and this side over here. So when you have 101, right? When you have 1 on 1, right? You have 2 coming together. That was your 1 and your 1. The numeric value for 1 is 34. 34 equals 68, which is 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 equals 6 and 8. This is the same doorway. Now what you can do next, if you want, through this association over here, and then through this association, is we can have our house split up this way, you know what I'm saying? And then we can run our house this way. Now, we've had what is 1 and 1 equals to 2, and maybe it's the Twin Towers. I don't know. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video. Electric Moon Gateway Power Creation. 754. God is 764. This is a sun creation, right? When you go with the 6764, it says God, and it's a man creation. This is the E world, right? The delta angle of the Lord is right over here. Here's from the sun, the E world of the sun, and here's where man comes in. These two join together. This is where your birth comes in, right? Even though this word says God, right? This word over here is going to say Jedi in this fashion. And I just want to let you know that the J and the G, they're exchangeable. One is a gateway. The J is a part of Capricorn, the same way they incorporate Jesus within it. Now the thing is, when everything is coupled together, it becomes 13. That's where you join 6 and 6 with 1. Call it a touchdown. Call it the EP, the extra point. 5 and 16 equals to 21 for all the parts of the teacher and the one that learns. Thank you for watching this video.